Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2018 Dodge Durango SXT all-wheel drive. Stock number E2165P. 17,000 miles on this Durango. It's a one owner. Clean auto check history report. Black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Durango seats 5, cloth interior, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Rear seats fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera for additional safety. Trailering package behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Lots of storage space in the rear, with in-floor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, start, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. You can connect various media devices. Three-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6 liter V6, 293 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Durango, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.